guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratima and in today's video we are going to talk about how we can make skin toner at home. So first of all, I'm extremely sorry due to shifting and all. I was not able to post and shoot any video. But now as I'm back, so let's start. First of all, what is skin toner? So I think सबको पता होगा कि skin toner क्या होता है, but still who are beginners, they must be don't know what skin toner is. So skin toner is basically used to remove your dirt particles from your face and to remove makeup, and it will help you to balance the pH level of your skin. And you must be thinking like, is it important to use skin toner? Well, yes, it is important. Because हम बाहर जाते हैं, बाहर में इतनी dirt particles होते हैं, उसके कारण हमारी स्किन पे बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ता है. And that's the reason we need skin toner. So for that, what we need right now is, as I have oily skin, so I'm going to tell you first like how you can make skin toner for oily skin. So let's talk about how we can make skin toner at home. So basically we need mint leaves, 1 cup of water and half cup of gulab jal. So it won't cost you too much, to be very honest. It will just cost you 20 rupees, even less than that. So let's see how we are going to make it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the video too. So if you feel it's useful for you, then do like, share, comment to my channel, and that's it for today's video. I'll be back super soon with my new video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, stay home.